How to add captions in CapCut. Want to make your videos more engaging and accessible? Let's add captions in CapCut. So step 1, import your video. Open CapCut and start a new project and then add your clip. So to add the captions, simply click on this captions tool, which you'd basically find at the top left of your screen if you're using the desktop version of CapCut. And then from here, go ahead and set the spoken language to auto detect. And then go ahead and click on this generate button. So then CapCut will generate the captions for this video for you. So all of the words that the person on the video was talking about would then be added by CapCut as a caption for your video. And then after that, you can go ahead and edit out the text if there are wrong words added on the captions added by CapCut. And then after that, you can simply export your video. And that is how to add captions in CapCut.